In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a magazine-style cookbook using BookMasher and its new magazine illustrated cookbooks. All of our books are created in a very similar fashion. You start with a topic, an author, a tone, and any custom instructions, then you hit the generate button. It applies to all the book types. We're going to learn today is how to build a magazine style cookbook. We're going to activate a photorealistic modern magazine style cookbook that is brand new to BookMasher. And we're going to give it step-by-step instructions through a topic. Very simple way of doing it. And we may customize it later, but let's get busy. I want to build a cookbook for you. We're going to have to start with a topic idea. We'll go new book, and we're going to make a cookbook. Select whatever book you want. And what is your book about? You need a topic, a title, an author. And if you don't have a title, that's fine. We'll build one for you. Choose your tone, language. Most of this is already set up, ready to go. And then we're going to check this little box down here to make a magazine style. And it's giving an estimate based on 14 recipes. We're going to make it simple. I'm going to do 5 recipes. As you can see, less recipes lowers your cost. I'm doing this more for a demo. Let's find a book topic idea. I'm using Grok just for some quick ideas, simple, appealing cookbook topic ideas. 20-minute stir fry, fresh and fast bowl meals, lightning fast wraps, tacos, and handhelds. Let's go with number 4. I'll copy all that. Come over here into BookMasher. I'm going to paste the topic idea in there. Then give me a clever cookbook title for number 4. Now, you don't have to do this. I like to have a choice up front. Bowl goals, mix it up bowls, the bowl bunch. Here's some alternate. Here's bowled over together, 20-minute. I don't really like that, so I'm going to go with this one. Mix it up bowls. That's a very clever title. And by putting in the title, we build the cover image off the title. So if the AI makes the title, it's going to make a cover image similar to that. And you can always change the cover image. And let's go with manage authors. Let's go ahead and make one. Manage author. Genre, cookbooks. And I'm going to say an Italian woman in her early 60s that has been making meals for her family for years and has become an expert, teaching her kids and grandkids from the home how to make family-style meals. Now, this is a pen name that we'll be using, and you can make as many of these as you want. And I've got some minions I'm going to use as my headshot here. That looks good. I'm going to hit save. Now I have an author in there. And you'll want to put your own account in here as well. You can generate these all the time. Let's go back to my books and we'll just start over. Cookbook. Choose that. What is your book about? Come over here to Grok. We're putting in a topic. I'm going to choose to put in my own title just because I think sometimes I can choose a better one right off the bat than the AI can. I like this one. And put that in as the title. I'm going to choose Clara. Professional. Let's do 5 cards. And I'm going to make it more conversational. English, recipe. You got your choice in here. I'm going to do the numbered method. We have a quick card, ingredients, narrative, short story style recipe. Okay. You could choose any of these styles. I'm going to go with this one. Let's take a look at it. And measurements, we're going to do US. And this will make magazine. It's going to cost me 120 credits. I'm going to hit generate book. And I'm going to come back when it's done. Okay, we're done. So it is ready. Here is the cover page. And this is really neat. This could go on Kindle. It could go on a flipbook. It could go on a PDF. And I love the way it's set up. It's very well illustrated. Each step of cooking is illustrated. Then it comes down here with some little helpful hints. It's good for you. It's better for the planet. Talking about the recipe itself, tips, and then the origin story of it. Very cool. That's all it takes to do it. A topic, a title, and an idea. Let me just show you what the front cover looks like. You can download it to see it. That looks really good. And then we'll take a look at the back cover, which has our author in there, Clara Hennessy. And let's take a look at the back cover. Very easy to do. Quick recap, 0 design friction. We gave it a topic, and I chose to put in my own title. We selected the author and then hit the generate button. And this makes for a really nice lead magnet or downloadable PDF. I'll see you on the next video.
Your topic, your book, ready for Amazon.